Hey, hello guys, welcome. In today's video, I want to talk about these rim-thin LED lights for your 1994 E34 BMW. Now, I do want to mention that rim-thin did send these, so thank you rim-thin for sending these. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I am also going to put a discount code in the description box below. That way y'all can get your very own rim-thin LED lights. And the very cool thing is that you can go on their website. Okay, so it is real easy to search. You just look up rim-thin and you're going to go to that top left tab. You select the year of your vehicle. For instance, me, it's a 1994 BMW 540i. And you go ahead and select the light bulbs that you want to select. And it is very simple to do, and there they are. You have a variety of selection, and they're on special right now. And like I said, there's a 20% off code. So with that being said, let's get started with this video. So let's go ahead and open this up for you to go up to the front and open it. Okay, so this is a very simple installation. All we have to do is go through here and the fog lights. So let's go ahead and try that out. So as you can see, it fits like a glove right there. It looks just perfectly fine on there. Now this is for the low beam for now, and just go make sure that you go ahead and put this back on here, and that way you don't minimize the dust going into your headlight area, projectors, etc. Okay, so we're done installing that on the E34. We have those going, so we're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive and see how it performs. Okay, as you can see, the lights are very bright. They are super bright and they work really great. And overall, I'm happy with the LED lights. So if you want to get your very own, the discount code down below, and check it out. So that concludes the video on these LED light bulbs. Thank you.